Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray.
It's more like
Coffee of the
fisherman
day.
vibes. 今日嚟嘅係 Toronto Outdoor Market。
Yeah.
Meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the
喺 Instagram 見到呢個
calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and
I started working the end of
step
March.
away inside
the end of-
all
Yeah.
day.
I've been blowing
Just a
pretty
little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, dancing in the rain. Yeah.
It's a good David Hawkins style.
David Hawkins係邊個？
Wow, UK student.
OK student 藝術鏡啊，識條鐵。
I naturally would see magic in the world around me.
Look at this, it's
Know
really
I can get
fast.
so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today. Oh,
Started
dancing
with
in
this
the
hand food
rain.
because I like the fooding, because of the placement of them, and I start.
Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. 'Cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, dancing in the rain. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Woo, oh, oh. Na, 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 na. Woo, oh. Na, 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 na. Woo, na, na, na. Woo, na, na, na.
Dying of heat right now, so. Hey, it's summer, okay? And Barpay is honestly one of my favorite gelato stops in Toronto. They come up with these new flavors and combos that surprises everyone every single week. And no, we're not talking about vanilla, chocolate, and basic flavors like that. We're talking about blood orange, yellow plum, and all kinds of things like that. Do I still have the guava flavor?
No, that was last week's.
I mean, yeah, there's always a bit of a lineup here, but it's never that bad, except if you're ordering online. Because their boxes literally sell out within minutes, and it's like buying concert tickets that you really, really want, and you have a really slow internet. I don't always put myself through that kind of stress with food, but if they come out with those coffee gelato bars again, I'd do it in a heartbeat. I mean, she picked up 20 boxes that night. But really though, they're only open from May to October at best, so may the odds be ever in your flavor. Anyway, thanks for following me on this mini field trip day, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!